You have to define the word fire without using the word fire in just 7 seconds.
Can I use some vulgar words?
7.
What's up?
What's up, India? I'm your host and host, Duke Boss. You know, April is a month of challenge. इस गर्मी में cool रहने का challenge, अपनी favorite IPL team को जिताने का challenge. And you know, here we are on the street of Kolkata, challenging you and the people of Kolkata with the most challenging show, the 7-second challenge. You know, this famous show is created by popular YouTuber Dan and Phil. Are you ready for the fun? Then I guess you need to follow me. Come on. What's up, guys? So here I have two beautiful ladies. You have to name and do 5 different expressions in just 7 seconds. It's actually a 7-second challenge.
Expression देना है. Any expressions?
Make expressions.
Yeah, name and do.
Actually, I don't know this. He is the master in that.
Okay. And your time starts now.
Oh, you have started the count.
एक मिनट रुकिए.
हाँ ठीक है.
जल्दी किस बात का है?
कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ.
आराम से ले लो यार. लंबी सांस ले लो.
3 घंटे का मूवी होता है, 5 मिनट में सारा एक्सप्रेशन कराइएगा.
And your time. Yeah. And your time starts.
That's tough. Happy. Sad. Anger. Wow. And what?
Sad, excited, shocked, and I don't get it.
ये विवेक एक्सप्रेशन. ये सुकेश एक्सप्रेशन. ये विपुल एक्सप्रेशन.
7.
Wow.
Jealousy, awe moment. Awe.
I'll shoot you out.
Okay. Oh, time's up. And your time starts now.
Happy, sad, angry, blood, and Ajib.
You have to define the word fire without using the word fire.
It's
You have only 7 seconds.
sparkle.
You have to explain actually.
Is the word fire? Dislike bhai.
So the countdown starts now. 7.
It's a burning sensation when heat.
It's irritating and smoke and that lets you cook your food.
Pataka.
Career distract you.
You can visit any pub and get the expression of fire, okay, from any girl.
Flames burning, red and hot.
Jotu Kriyo. Dislike. Come on.
Wait.
This is it.
Are yellow.
Dana bhai.
Okay.
Fire.
So this is fire for us. That's great, man. That's great. You just nailed it, man. You have to shape your body in a percentage sign.
In a percentage sign?
Yeah.
You can.
You can. Come on. You can.
He
Come
loves
on.
Deepika Padukone. He'll do like that.
Time starts now. 7.
Like that, yeah.
I think so. I don't know.
Percent is like straight and
Okay, that's great. That's great, man. That's great. He just wanted. You have to create a word and define it. You have to create a word. अभी करना है create और उसको define करना है.
I have to create a word.
You have to create a word and define it in just 7 seconds.
Anything you can say, no? Anything. Right.
And you have to define it as well.
Define.
You have to define it as well. And 7 seconds starts now. 7.
Maybe the name will be Aura, maybe, and I think it will be a maybe a shirt, which is I think the most exclusive shirt in the world. Like it's worn by only the pop stars and all. I think so.
The word
Define it. And its time starts now. 5, 4.
horrendous. It's horrible and
And your time starts now.
Footling pot.
Footling pot.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Take away the bad food.
Time starts now. Okay, time starts now.
my
7.
friend Anuj is such a fucktard.
Time starts now.
Vim Vam. Vim Vam.
What does
Yeah.
it mean?
Vim means why and Vam means what.
6, 5, 4.
oscillate. Something that lets you sleep.
Time starts now.
Limited. Levitate and meditate.
Our senior, he always used to say, "Learn chatti ke forum." You know what is forum?
Okay, so now let's start. 7. Define. 6.
You know what is learn chatti ke forum? Is learn. I can't explain it.
You can.
Let's divide this word in 3 different.
See this vulgar boy.
Is this going to be in YouTube? Yes. No, I'm not going. Sorry. No way. I don't.
धीरे से बोल दो, कोई नहीं.
He means to say that वो है.
धीरे से.
So this was a wrap for our 7 seconds challenge. I hope you all had fun. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have anything to say, drop your comment on the comment box below. Until then, allow us to go and keep loving. What's up? Love us.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up.
This summer, beat the heat playing 7-second challenge with us. And to raise the heat, watch our Dirty Mind challenge. Keep sharing and keep loving.
What's up?